Chapter 15, Exercise 15.4. In this figure, ABCD, this is a trapezium of area this much. In it, AD is parallel to BC, and angle DAB, this angle DAB, this is 90 degree. AD is 10, so let me show you this. This is 10 and this is 4. BC or CBE is 4. If ABE, this one is a quadrant of a circle, find the area of the shaded region. So before we go ahead, because there are certain questions like this, let me tell you that the area of a trapezium is half into sum of the opposite side. In this case, we have opposite sides are AD, opposite parallel sides. So AD plus BC, and then multiplying the distance between them, that is the altitude or height between them, that is AD. This is the formula we are going to use. So here the trapezium area is given. So let us use this half into AD. AD is what? 10 plus what is this side? BC, it is 4. And what is the distance between them? It is given 3.5. Is it given? No, it is not given. So we have to find it. So it is H. Let us say H. Why and how we are going to find H? Because we are given the area. The area of trapezium, we can equate it, and this will be 14, and 2 7s are 14. So H goes 24.5 by 7, and this comes to be 3.5 centimeter. So this is height between them or distance between them. Now find the area of the shaded region. For that, what we have to do? We have to find out the area of this trapezium, which is already given fortunately, and we have to subtract this area of the quadrant from it. So what is the area of quadrant? 1 by 4 pi r square. That is 24.5 minus 1 by 4 pi r. What is the radius here? Because this is given as 7 by 2, because 3.5 is what we got. See, this is the height, this is the radius also. This height and radius are same. So we get 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This is 24.5. What do you get here? It will be 9.625, and this comes to 14.875 centimeters square. In this figure, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Now AB is 18 and DC is 32. And the distance between AB and DC, this is given to be 14 centimeter. Circles of equal radii. So this circle of equal radii, this A, B, C, D, they are being drawn. So all have the radius as 7. This way. This is 18, this is 32, distance between them is 14, and the radius is 7. All of them. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure. So what is the area of the shaded region? First of all, if you see that the area or the angle of the internal angle or interior, so interior angle of any of the quadrilateral sums up to be 360 degree. So you make any kind of, say, this quadrilateral, this plus this plus this plus this will be 360 degree. So if you see, if I combine these all, because the radius are same, so if the radius is same and I combine all of these, this will be 360 degrees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these quadrants, if I combine them, they will form a circle. So essentially what we have to do, we have to find out the area of the trapezium, and we have to subtract the area of the circle with the radius 7. What is the area of the trapezium? It is half into sum of the opposite side, that is parallel side, 18 plus 32, and the distance between them, that is 14. And we have to subtract it from what? What is to be subtracted? It is pi, that is 22 by 7, and r square. What is the radius of this circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you combine it, it will be 7 into 7. So what do you get? Here you get 350, here you get 154, and the answer comes to 196. From a thin metallic piece in the shape of a trapezium ABCD, in which AB is parallel to CD, this BCD, which is this one, BCD, is 90 degree. A quarter circle BC, this quarter circle which is actually a quadrant, is removed. Given AB and BC is 3.5, so AB and BC are given as 3.5, so this is 3.5, this is 3.5, and DE, this is 2. Calculate the area of the remaining piece of the metal sheet. So this is 3.5, so this will also be 3.5. So one side is AB, so what we have to do here is area of the trapezium minus area of the quadrant. Area of the trapezium is what? Half into sum of opposite sides, 3.5 plus this is 2 and this is 3.5 because this is also 3.5, so radius will be 3.5. So 3.5 plus 2 is 5.5 into the height. What is the height in between? It is the distance between the parallel side. It is 3.5, and we have to subtract the area of the quadrant. We know that it is 1 by 4 pi r square. R is given as 3.5, so you just write it as 7 by 2. It is 7 by 2. This is what you have to do. So when you compute this, this will be 15.75. When you compute this, this is going to be 9.6, and the difference will be 6.125 centimeters square. In this figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle. The side is given as 8 centimeters. So side is given 8 centimeters. ABC are the centers of circular arcs of radius 4 centimeters. So all are 4 like this. Find the area of the shaded region correct up to 2 decimals. So what we have to do, we have a triangle which is already given as equilateral triangle. So area of the equilateral triangle minus area of these 3 quadrants. So area of 3 quadrants. What is the area of the equilateral triangle? It is root 3 by 4 side square. Side is already given, it is 8 square. And then area of 3 quadrants. So what this, we know that equilateral triangle has angle as 60 degree. So what is the area of any quadrant or any sector? It is a sector. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 here. So we have pi r square. This goes 1 by 6 pi r square. Now we have 1, 2 and 3 sectors here. 1, 2, 3. So we multiply it by 3. So it becomes 1 by 2 pi r square. So I'm just writing it 1 by 2. Pi I'll take as 3.14, and radius of course is, the radius is 4 given in the question, 4 into 4. So this comes to 27.712, this comes to 25.136, so the answer will be 2.576 centimeters square. Sides of a triangle field are 15, this 15, 16 and 17. With the corners of the field, in the corners of the field, one corner buffalo, one corner horse, and the other corner, that is the third corner, we have a cow. We have a cow here. They have been tied separately. You can say the grazing length or the length of the rope is 7 meters for all of these, all of the 3 animals. Find the area of the field which cannot be grazed by 3 animals. So we have to find the area of the triangle and subtract these 3 sectors from here. So these sectors, let me tell you that I'll just take the area of the first sector, that is this one. So what is the area of this sector? I have to add these 3, right? So area of, say, buffalo sector plus area of cow sector plus area of horse sector. So this area of sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So here let us take this angle as B. So B by 360. What I'll do is, because 360 and pi is coming again and again, so I'll just say, and this radius is also common there. So I can just say pi r square by 360 and this angle B, that is theta 1, angle B plus angle H plus angle this C. But if you remember, for a triangle, the angle sum, internal angle sum is 180 degree. So this accounts to 180 degrees. So this will be pi r square by 360 into 180 by 2. So pi r square by 2 ultimately. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius here is 7. So 7 into 7. And then we have pi r square, we have half. So this comes to 7, 7 cut, 2, 11 cut, and 11 into 7 is 77. So area of the three sectors is 77. So what we have to do, the area of the triangle minus area of the sector. So area of the sector is 77. Now we have to find out the area of the triangle. Because the different sides are given, we will use the Heron's formula. In Heron's formula, we add 17, 16 and 15. We add them and divide it by 2. So we get S. So A plus B plus C by 2, 15 plus 16 plus 17 by 2, which comes to 48 by 2, it is 24. Now we'll use the formula under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and this is Heron's formula. We'll put S as this one, A, B, C as these numbers. So you get 24 under root 21. So ultimately this is 24 under root 21. Either you can compute it and subtract 77 from it, or you can keep it like this in meters square. So this is the answer. The given figure, the side of square is 28 centimeter, the side of the square. Then we have radius of each circle is half of the length of the side of the square, where O and O dash are the centers of the circles. Find the area of the shaded region. So here the side is given as 28. And since this is 28, what will be the radius? Because it is 28, this will be 28 by 2, it will be 14. It will be 14. 28 by 2 is 14. So what we have to do, area of this first region, second region and third region we have to add. But this one and this say X and Y, this area which is the quarter quadrant will be added twice. So we just have to take the 3/4 of this quarter. And because these are similar, so let me take 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is what? I'll come to this square part later. One is this quarter part, that is this part, and same is here. What is the quarter part? We know that the quarter part, or the quarter of the circle area, we can find out that is 3 by 4 pi r square. And since we have 2 of them, we multiply it by 2. So 2 into 3 by 4 pi r square. So 2 into 3 by 4, pi is 22 by 7, radius is 14 into 14. And this comes to be 924. And now what is the area of this square? It is 28 is the side, so we add 28 square. Here 28 square comes to 784. And the answer will be 1708 centimeters square. In a hospital, the used water is collected in a cylindrical tank. So we have a cylindrical tank of diameter 2 meter, the diameter is 2 meter and the height is 5 meter. The height is 5 meter. Now after recycling this, water is used to irrigate a park to hospital whose length is 25 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. So we have say this kind of arrangement. I'm not a very good my handwriting and my drawing is very bad, so I'm just trying. So this is the figure. So this water has to be put in here. When it is put in, the height will increase. So the volume of this is equal to the volume of this one. Volume of the cylinder has to be equal to the volume of this say shape. So we have to find out the height. What is the height of standing water? So we'll find out the area of this cylinder, which is pi r square h. Pi into r square is 2 square into h. Height is also given. This is equal to length into breadth into height. So 25 is the length, 20 is the breadth, and we have height. So what do we get? H equal to pi is, you can use 3.14 into 2 into 5. Then we have 25 into 20. So this becomes 0.0314. This is the answer. Height is this one in meter. So these were the question and answer of this topic. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.